In the spring of 2026, Shanghai Zhuyan Heavy Industry Technology Company, Limited experienced a peak in overseas shipments. A batch of jaw crushers, custom-tailored for international clients, successfully passed final production inspections and was recently loaded for dispatch. Addressing the challenges posed by the equipment's large dimensions and complex transport requirements, Shanghai Zhuyan Heavy Industries technical team devised a systematic dismantling plan. Each jaw crusher was strategically disassembled into multiple components and loaded into 3 separate shipping containers. This approach not only ensured the safety of the cargo during transit but also optimized the utilization of shipping space. For packaging, heavy-duty reinforced wooden crates lined with shock-absorbing materials were employed to guarantee stability and moisture resistance throughout the long-distance sea voyage. From the moment orders were placed to the completion of shipment, every stage of the company's workflow was seamlessly coordinated, thereby fulfilling its commitment to rapid response and on-time delivery. Shanghai Zhuyan Heavy Industry Technology Company, Limited remains steadfastly focused on the manufacturing of mining machinery, earning the trust of an ever-growing number of international clients through its exceptional product quality, efficient delivery capabilities, and robust packaging systems. Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development, and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening, we are Shanghai Zhuyan.